Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About negative 3x, we can put into negative 6x plus 3x. About x, that should be about 6x minus 5x. Now we can do about factorization. So I will put 3x cone here. So we can do about factorization by x. This one by negative number 6. This one by 2x. This one by negative number 5. Now we can do another factorization by x plus number 3. Now we simplify x plus number 3. And now we can put negative number 3 cone here. And we can find the final answer. And we have 9/11. This is the end. Thank you for watching.